If you are planning a candy themed party, then I have just the decoration for you. So let's get started. In order to create this giant lollipop, you are going to need 2 pool noodles, duct tape, a pole, which I use from a dollar store broom, a pipe cleaner, and some cellophane. All right, so I'm going to take this pool noodle. I'm going to use 2 different colors of duct tape. I'm starting off with white first, and I am just going to rotate the pool noodle and give that diagonal striping. So I have 1 pool noodle striped. Now I tried to use hot glue, but all it did was melt the ends of the pool noodles. So I decided to go with some clear packing tape to connect the 2 noodles together. And then I'm going to continue striping, doing that white diagonal line all the way down to the end. Now we are ready to apply the second color. I'm not going to necessarily try to have even stripings. I'm just going to go with the flow. Lots of lollipops have uneven lines, and I think that adds some character. Now to roll the lollipop, this is going to require some muscle. Now because the hot glue wasn't really working to connect the 2 pool noodles, I decided to just go in with the packing tape right away, knowing that I'm going to cover it with cellophane, so hopefully that will hide the look of the tape. And so I'm just going to wrap this first starting curl, and then after that I'll continue to turn and tuck the lollipop and add more tape as I go. I was so glad to come up with the idea of using this dollar store broom stick. And so after I have taken off the head, I am screwing it into the lollipop. So I'm creating a hole so that I can push it through so that it will be secure. Now for the covering, I was first going to just do a roll of cellophane, also from the dollar store. But then I saw they had these basket bags, and that got me thinking that I would not have to fold it over or anything. So let's see if this works. If not, I'll just use my roll. You get 2 bags in one, so that's awesome. And just as I hoped, the bag is a perfect fit. And so I am just going to make sure that it is smooth and flat. I'm going to take the pipe cleaner as my little twist tie and twist it around to secure the bag on the lollipop. And voila, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video and this idea for your party. Be sure to watch my other videos for easy craft projects.